Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to Bamboo, St. Anne. Here you will find this truly one-of-a-kind great house, which is an architectural wonder. It all starts at the entryway. Built by British architect John Thorpe in the 1700s, it brings nature and nature together, with its picturesque ivory-covered exterior walls give a relaxing and inspiring exterior. The Georgian architecture is one of few properties in Jamaica to have a fireplace and dome ceilings. It features 3 bedrooms, each with their own bathroom, plus a powder room and an office. A gorgeous 500 square feet kitchen equipped with Viking appliances. Beautiful antique furnishings. Some pieces are available for sale. And hardwood finishings makes this an ideal property to call home. Visitors can enjoy their own space at the adjoining self-contained cottage. In addition, it has a caretaker's quarters, lots of storage and parking for heavy farming equipment. With 22 acres of land, there is enough room for all of your outdoor activities and aspirations. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1,275,000 or Jamaican $196.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.